Hello everyone, it's April Garwood from Banana Moon Studio. In this video I'm going to answer two questions. First of all, what does BLO mean in crochet? And then the opposite question, what does FLO mean in crochet? So if you're looking at a written crochet pattern and you see one of those abbreviations, I'm here today to show you what those mean. So BLO stands for back loop only, and FLO stands for front loop only. So when you're looking at your crochet piece, the terms front and back just mean front is the side you are currently looking at when you're working, and back is the side currently facing away from you when you were working. So in this stitch right here, and I'm using a knitting needle here because it's great for pointing, in this stitch right here, front loop is here and back loop is here. So if I were working across this piece, I'm going to do just a couple of standard single crochet stitches under both loops. Now, if I were working in my pattern and I saw the direction to single crochet in the back loop only, which would look like SCBLO, I would take my hook in from the center of the stitch through the back loop and single crochet. And what that does is it leaves the front loop exposed, and that will create some texture to your piece. If my instruction says SCFLO, or single crochet in the front loop only, I will bring my hook up under the front loop of this next stitch and single crochet there. And what that's going to do is it's going to leave the back loop exposed, which again could create texture on this side of the piece, or you might be going back in a future row and working into those loops that you've left exposed. So that is what BLO and FLO mean in crochet. Thanks very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I hope you have a lovely day.